Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial I am gonna show you how you can add UPI payment on your Wix website. Once you are in Wix dashboard, and then on the left panel here you will see this option, and then just go to the settings. Then on the right side here you will see this option. Now we are going to accept payment. Just click on this. Now we are going to choose manual payments. Just click on this manage, and here type for the instruction. You can bold it, and you can insert a link. Just click on this, and here insert your UPI link, and here type your UPI payment. After paste the link, just click on done button and then click save. Then it will be integrated, and then UPI payment will be integrated on your Wix website. So this is how you can add UPI payment on your Wix website. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.